Hi guys, this is Andrew Dillon. I'm going to set up a payroll company called Andrew's Unlimited Technology. From here on, I will be setting up employees' details, their tax pay, their weekly pay. I'm going to be inserting their hours of work, their payments. I'm going to be setting up a P45 form for one or two employees who are no longer to work for the next month. And I'm going to be previewing the pay slips and the net pay. So to start this off, I just click on New Company. Next. Technology. Going to use the home address. Next. 47. I'm going to use pass as my password. Click monthly. Change free trial, and I'm going to select pass. Okay. Don't need a recovery email address. Actually, I will. Just in case something bad happens with the program. In case I can't edit anything, I'll just use my recovery. Click OK. Right. Most of you might remember from the last two videos from Payroll. This is simply to add details and process. This is just setting up a P2C file. This is the enter the hours and overtime for each employee. This is the preview of the payroll of each employee's details. This is the preview of the pay slips, and this is the printout for email pay slips. This is the part P45s for employees for no longer to work for the next month. So I'm going to start this off as number 1. Click OK. First one's going to be regular debit. Right, so I need to create departments. And consultant. I'm going to put him as a human resource. Books number. I'll say number 2. Hourly rate is maybe 45 an hour. Monthly pay, I'll say 465. Clothing, Dublin, 12. Cash, yeah, okay. Revenue details, come on, that's it. I'm going to put in for emergency tax. So details will not be edited. Conditions, BHI 260. Maybe insurance as well. That is going to be 345. Deductions for C. Percentages. Okay, then just €3. Same as the other box details. Insurance in this BHI. Okay, and he's working HR. Right here. Yeah, once it's an emergency tax, we can't put this. None of this can be put in. So we'll go back to here. His PRSI class is going to be A1, and it should update. Yeah, even though it didn't say update success, it did go update. So let's go into the next employee. This guy's name is going to be Stephen Fairley. I'm going to put him as an accountant. Works number is number 2. Yep. Always. It seems like Virgo Davy is working number 2, so if it's the same number, you'll get a warning like that you have to input a new number. But €25 is the salary rate. Monthly, I'll say it's 560. This time you'll be using check. Now this guy is not going to be in emergency tax, so I will put in his extra tax details and input in his balance. Now this will do the sums for you. All you just have to do is just click use standard cutoffs, and there you go. His cutoffs are already inputted. Insurance and VHI. You know, it's more, I'll say it's more than that. Now it's VHI, that's going to be 278. Now it's deductions. Right, and now I'm going to go into his mid-years. Oh wait, can't. No, just update his file, and now I'm going to be doing one more employee. John O'Shea. Crumlin Road. Crumlin, Dublin 12. I'm going to be putting him as a consultant. His number's going to be number 4. Hourly rate, say 67 an hour. He's going to be using check. For 68. And use the standard cut-offs. Monthly tax. Only 5. BR side class is going to be A1. Going to be using, I'm going to add the additions and deductions. Let's put the same details over here. And I'm going to click update. Now I'm going to close, and then I'm gonna finish off. I'm gonna update the next video and finish off the rest of the hourly weekly payments. But before I finish it off, I'm gonna preview their payroll. Just click OK. And there you go. That's their current net pays. And that's all the inputs of payments. So hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you all for watching. I'll update this video in a few minutes, and good luck to all of you. Adios.